just quickly want to show you how to do those few questions from the calculus level 2 paper of 2019. So this is just question 1, and I'm only going to do derivative based ones. So D I left out. Okay, so a function is given by f of x is equal to x to the 4, 3x squared minus 17. Find the gradient of the graph of the function at the point where x is 2. So I'm actually just going to work on the side here, and when I say I'm actually going to work, it would be helpful if my pen worked. Okay, so I've got my pen working. So we've got f of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 3x squared minus 17. And I am going to first of all find the derivative. Don't forget, so f dash x, don't forget your dash, 4x cubed plus 6x, and the 17 is going to fall off the end because x to the power of 0, 0 times 17 is 0. So that's all going to be going away. And I'm wanting to find the gradient when x is equal to 2. So it'll be 4 times 2 cubed plus 6 times 2. So my gradient when x is 0 is going to be 4 eighths of 32 plus 12, which gives me 44. Pretty steep. There you go. So that's that. Hopefully that makes sense. And there is just a little U question. Next one is find the coordinates of the points on the graph of the function of y equals that, where the tangent to the curve is parallel to this line. So I'm actually just going to look at this line first of all. And I'm going to rearrange it. So I'm going to look over my own hand here. Y equals 8x minus 6. So I've just taken that over to the other side so that I've got it in the form y equals mx plus c. And that tells me that the gradient of that line is 8. Therefore, the line of my tangent, or gradient of my tangent, is going to be 8. So if I'm wanting to find the coordinates of the points on that graph where the tangent is parallel to that line, what am I looking for? Hopefully you're all thinking. I'm looking for where my derivative is equal to 8. I'm looking for a gradient of 8. And so the derivative of that is going to be 12x squared minus 4. And I know I can let that equal 8. So now I'm just going to solve. 12x squared equals 12. So it's going to be x squared equals 1. So in this case, I know that this is a positive, so it's going to go like that. Sorry. It's going to go like that. And I can see that it's positive here and here. Okay, so any of those points. Now, I don't know where my turning points are, but I do know that I'm going to have to find it in 2 places that it's positive. So I would need to substitute my x equals plus n minus 1 into there to find those 2 points. So I'm going to substitute that into my original equation. So I'm going to sub that off. So y will equal 4 times negative 1 to the 3 minus 4 times negative 1 plus 4. So y would be negative 4 plus 4 plus 4. So it'll be 4 in that case. So that'll be the point minus 1, 4. And the other one will be y equals 4 to the 1 minus 4 to the 1 plus 4. So 4 minus 4 again, plus 4 equals, so we plug 1 and 4. Okay, so those are the two coordinates that you would have. C, Sophie is blowing up a balloon. Oh, I'll actually do the other two in a different video. This is going to get a bit long. So this is a 5-minute video and I will do the other one in a second video.